Hello everyone, my name is Juan Hernandez. This is the Fresno American Indian Health Project that I'm going to be talking about today. It started since 2007. This is a Native American community. Not necessarily it was built for it, but we have had people of the community show up, and we have taken many people in. We offer a lot of programs and services. We have COVID resources. We have a lot of careers that we offer, and there's also a lot of information that we have on our website, and recommend you to go check it out. So now let's moving on forward with our next slide. So our mission statement. So we embrace and empower people, all nations and communities. This is culturally based health and wellness services. It's also supporting mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual needs of our community here in the Fresno area. So one of the things that we have here is we have 6 native programs nationwide, and we have been awarded for them. So that's pretty cool. Also, we have served over 120 tribes here at the Fresno American Indian Health Project yearly. So that's also a very interesting fact about us. And I'm gonna move on forward now. So here are some of the services and programs that we offer. Like we said, it's mostly about health. So we offer health education classes on diabetes. We have referrals for medical, prescription, dental services, and we also have public health nurses here at the Fresno American Indian Health Project, and we have nurses that go into homes, help out. We have nutritional education, exercise groups and events, and we have a lot of youth programs for the youth to learn and advance in social services and social communication skills. So that's one nice thing about the American Indian Health Project. So moving on forward, here are our staff members. This is Selena and Bertha. Bertha is the director of operations, and Selena is the CEO of this establishment. She has served in leadership capacities for nonprofit healthcare organizations for over 20 years. She has done a lot for the Native American community, as she has hold a lot of events to change some very difficult topics, and to help the people of the Native community. So thank you for her work, and Bertha for running operations. As for marketing, dates, times, the events we hold, and having other staff members perform in a well-timely manner. So thank you for these 2 women for what they bring and what they offer throughout the community. And I'm going to talk about eligibility. So eligibility is controversial. So it's saying that we would have to be either a descendant of a group, like a native group, or even a native descendants. It's not necessarily for native people. It's for all people in all communities, and people from all of Fresno to come and seek help, and for us to offer those services, as we are a good community to to help, and that's the main objective and main purpose and our vision as the American Indian Health Project. So this was my presentation for community involvement. Thank you for listening, and have a good day. Thank you.